Brace yourselves!
Asta, we're back!
Oh, I'm glad you're all back safe. In times of disaster... But on the other hand,
What is the current situation?
the situation is under control for now. The damage to our security system was minor. The intruder only managed to alter us. The real problem lies with the researchers.
Let's go speak with the researcher.
I sent multiple letters.
I knew it.
Oh, that would be of great help. I'll leave the reassurance of the researchers in your hands. If you have any other questions, you're welcome to come to Himiko and me.
If only I caught the answer. I hope all this chaos will end.
Push the stick down. Thanks, kid. But first, let our preacher. It's quite a bit. Are you ready? Wrong order, kid. Push the controls. Are you ready? Oh, wrong. Push the control. Are you ready? Wonderful. Abraham, the top priority is...
No, look, I know it. How? I will pull my...
Fiends or devils, I'll crush them all! Just a scratch.
Prayers won't help you.